The Shelby Cobra 427 is one of the most legendary sports cars ever created, known for its raw power, aggressive looks, and racing heritage. It represents a bold chapter in automotive history, combining British design with American muscle. The car was the brainchild of Carroll Shelby, a former American race car driver, who had a vision of creating a lightweight British roadster equipped with a powerful American 5.8 engine. This dream turned into reality in the early 1960s when Shelby collaborated with AC Cars of England and Ford Motor Company. The result was the Shelby Cobra, and by 1965, the most iconic version, the Shelby Cobra 427, was introduced. The 427 refers to the massive 7.0-liter V8 engine provided by Ford, capable of producing up to 425 horsepower, although many believe it delivered even more in practice. This monster of an engine turned a lightweight car into an unstoppable force on the road and the racetrack. It quickly gained a reputation for being fast, loud, and sometimes dangerous in the hands of inexperienced drivers because of its brutal acceleration and raw driving dynamics. The Shelby Cobra 427 was most popular in the United States, where car enthusiasts and racers were drawn to its incredible performance and aggressive design. Though built in limited numbers, it became a symbol of American automotive engineering and racing spirit. Today, it's one of the most desired classic cars worldwide, with collectors from the United States, United Kingdom, and Australia especially passionate about owning one. In terms of popularity, the Shelby Cobra 427 reached legendary status because of its unique combination of lightweight British chassis and big American engine. It was a frequent star at drag strips and road races and often outperformed more expensive and exotic European sports cars. Its rarity also contributes to its fame, with original models selling for millions of dollars at auctions today. Performance-wise, the Shelby Cobra 427 was a beast. It could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4 seconds, an astonishing number for its time, and still impressive today. With a top speed exceeding 160 miles per hour, it was one of the fastest cars of the 1960s. However, fuel efficiency was never a priority for this machine. The massive V8 engine consumed fuel at a high rate, averaging around 10 to 12 miles per gallon, making it a car meant for thrills, not savings. Its capabilities included blistering acceleration, incredible handling for its time, and a driving experience that felt pure and untamed. Some of its key features included side exhaust pipes, wide tires, a minimalistic interior focused purely on driving, and its instantly recognizable, muscular body shape. Prices for original Shelby Cobra 427 models today can range anywhere from $1 million to over $5 million depending on condition and history, while modern replicas are available at much lower prices for those who crave the experience without the collector's price tag. The main selling point of the Shelby Cobra 427 was always its unmatched power-to-weight ratio, fearless performance, and classic design that continues to capture hearts decades after its debut. It remains a dream car for many and a true icon in the world of high-performance automobiles.